One. I got my nails did. I went to Giant. I went to Dollar Tree. I'm about to put the stuff away and make something to eat because it's almost 12:30 and I have yet to eat. I need to take my medicine. I am tripping today. Let me get the stuff put away because I got some stuff that needs to go in the refrigerator. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. My last couple of clips, I know you're like, what the hell, have been very random. I wasn't like vlogging. I just realized that at this very moment is where I messed up because for some reason I was recording in slow-mo and I don't remember what I was talking about, but it was about my random clips. So I'm sorry, guys. The vlog gets better from here on out. And then I was going on and talking about, I don't know, my morning routine, I think. And then I went to brush my teeth and then it is back to regular video clips. So I just got out the shower. Got some Vaseline on my lips. See how red my face is? Like, I absolutely hate this. I didn't show y'all earlier, but I did go and get Dunkin' before I dropped Kyron off. So I got my Dunkin'. I got like half my drink left. I don't know exactly what all I'm doing today, like while Kyron's in school. But I'm about to do my makeup because I do want to get some content created. I have some outfit ideas that I want to get together and take some pictures of. I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. It's still a work in progress. I already put my lotion on and everything. I put my moisturizer on. My hair is up in a bun. I always do my hair after I do my makeup. I don't know how people do their makeup first. I don't know how people do their hair first and then their makeup, because I feel like when they do their hair first, like especially with like baby hairs and stuff, like when you put your makeup on, how do you go around that? I don't know. I don't get it, but to each his own. So my hair is up. It's getting done afterwards. Unless it's like braids or something, but that's like still, if you're not styling your baby hairs, then whatever. Forget about it. I'm about to put this on my feet, on my little toesies. It's Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief Cica, C-I-C-A balm. I don't know. Cica. Anyways, it helps relieve cracked skin, intensely moisturizes on contact. It feels so good. So I'm about to put some on before I start doing my face, just because I moisturize the rest of my body with lotion, and then I always do my feet last. So I'm gonna put this on real quick. It feels really good. My friend gave it to me for Christmas because I was digging in hers and taking some home in a Ziploc. So Tiffany was like, sis, you gonna get your own. So she gave me that with like some of like the moisturizing socks, and it feels so good. I'm not putting the socks on today. I usually just put the socks on at night. I am out the house now. I just got to the car. I'm tired. I did 4 different outfit looks, like a photo shoot for 4 different outfits. I have never done that before, so I want to try to start doing like planning that more. Batch creating. I'm trying to open a Slim Jim I got from Dollar Tree yesterday, and it's hard. I got it. So I want to start batch creating because I hear that's smart. If you haven't yet, go check out my Instagram. I'm gonna put my name on the screen and I have the link in my description box. I like my wrap. I haven't wrapped my hair in so long and I've been wanting to. And I was like, I think today is a good day for that because my hair's been getting on my nerves. My crochet gets in the way after a while. And when it gets really big, it's just like, ugh. I love it, but it's just like too big sometimes. So I'm about to go pick Kyron up. What is it? It's 2:43. I'm still debating on that second coffee. I really am. I have to go to Five Below, so I'll get Kyron. I'll go to Five Below real quick, and maybe Big Lot. No, I'll do that first. I'll go to Big Lots first because it's closer to his school, and then Five Below, and then we're supposed to go somewhere fun. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have a couple clips of that. But yeah, just wanted to check in because my clips this week been kind of shitty. So I want to show my face a little bit, bust it up, you know, talk my shit. Yesterday I posted my let's be real quick video, and I had a lot of like my friends and family kind of reacting to it and hitting me up. So I am okay. I didn't want to let that out. Like I just needed to let out that frustration and talk about my anxiety and depression outwardly. So if you guys haven't checked that out and you're interested, I'll go ahead and link it up above so that you can watch it and, you know, let me know your thoughts on it if you suffer from that or know someone that does, because it's not easy dealing with it. But I don't want to get into that because I am not crying today. I'm not. This Slim Jim is good if y'all can't tell. I'm watching the FedEx truck because I'm waiting for a delivery. I'm gonna go follow his ass. Oh yeah. I'll be back. I am so glad I sat there and talked my shit and ate my Slim Jim with y'all. Because if I would have pulled off, I wouldn't have known that they delivered my package. So I got it. I was trying to catch up with the FedEx guy, but he was running. By the time I pulled up into the parking lot of my building, he was already back in his truck and reversing. Like, he didn't even sit down yet. Shit. But this is actually something for Kyron. This was his Valentine's Day gift that I got him. So I'll let him open it later. So let me go pick my baby up because it's 2:48. Kyron is opening his package now. So this was his Valentine's Day present, but it came a little late. So what's today? Wednesday. So we had to wait a few days, 3 days, but it's here.
Wait, oh, why was it slightly opened?
I don't know. It's probably from shipping.
Wait, is it smaller?
Yeah, so I told you it's not a plus.
Oh.
So this is the iPhone 8. It is a refurbished one.
What is that supposed to mean?
That means that somebody used it before it's used, but they cleaned it out. Like, there's no scratches. There shouldn't be anything wrong with it. It's almost like a brand new one, but it has been used before, like the internal part. And if there was any damage or anything on the outside, they fixed it. It comes with your charger, the box. It comes with everything you need. And it has some instructions there. So we got this from Walmart.com, and it took 2 days. No, that one's SE. You gotta look for just 8. Oh no, it says fit for iPhone SE or fit for iPhone 8. So as long as it says or iPhone 8.
For which one?
Yeah, so pick one that you like. As long as you're just gonna make sure it has the right label.
Oh, this one's in the store.
I said he found the winner. So which one are you picking? Let me see it. Okay.
The same one as my old phone.
Yep. Your mask is on backwards.
So what?
Fix it.
It doesn't matter.
What if there's COVID on the outside of your mask? Walked in here so fast and got set up that the kids are already off. Bye. Bye, guys. Have fun. Have a good day. Hey y'all. So me and Nina decided to, well, we sat in the chairs, but they were beeping at us because we had to pay.
We're filming. Thank you.
And so now they're turned on and it's going up my butt.
Things are off. Thank the Lord.
It was beeping way too loud.
Yeah, so we're here.
It's not going up your butt yet?
No, it doesn't go up.
There's a middle one in my ass crack.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
It's like right on my ass crack. It keeps going up and down. It feels so weird. Oh, but the back part, oh, and the legs, it feels so good. Hey y'all. So today is Thursday, and I just wanted to do a quick update because I am driving, but it's a snow day. I love snow. I know. I have very, very, very few people that will agree with me, but I love the snow. It don't bother me at all. It makes me happy. But you know, I had to go out and get my Dunkin'. Got my free Dunkin', and just in case it snows heavy, I got my second one for tomorrow. So I am at. I pulled up. Let me back up. No, I'm gonna go around. I pulled up to the grocery store real quick. We have stuff at home, but I'm gonna move for some ribs. So I'm gonna run in, since the grocery store is right near Dunkin', I'm gonna run into the grocery store real quick and grab some ribs so I can make some ribs later. Only thing, like I have frozen meat at home, beef, chicken, but I ain't coming with that. We have leftovers from the other night, but I want ribs. So we're gonna go run in there real quick. Kyron has virtual school that starts at 10. So what is it, 9:05? So we got time to, you know, run in the store real quick and then take our time to drive back home. We'll check back in later. What are you doing? I'm back to the tattoo shop to get my nipple rings changed. It's been 6 months, so I'm super excited. I came with a group of friends. Say hi, y'all. I'm vlogging. Ken. Say hola. So we took a little trip. We're getting new piercings. Some of us are getting piercings changed. So we're super excited. We're a little experienced with the nipples, so we're just getting ours changed. They are new. Oh, so we're waiting in line. We're gonna go into the room soon. It's not as crowded as it's been before, but I got a notification. But I'm excited. Mine are cute. I can't wait to take. Oh wait, I can't take a picture. Shit, I should have taken a picture of them before. I can't take a picture.
I feel numb. I feel sore.
Aww.
But it wasn't bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Like the piercing, it's true. The second one is like because you know it's coming. Now
Right.
the first time you don't know what to expect.
Uh-huh.
But the second one, I was like, oh Lord Jesus.
The second one, yeah.
We were saying that a titty twister feels worse.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
I think it took us longer, each of us, I think it took longer to change ours than it did for you guys to get pierced.
That's crazy.
Because we weren't there laying, like she was like, it was gentle. I didn't feel anything.
No.
But it just, I felt like I was laying there for forever. My titties was out.
My titties was just like this.
Look at them.
We're inside Ikea. This is such an impromptu trip, but I've been wanting to come for a long time, and Tiffany's here with me.
I'm a virgin.
What?
I'm a virgin. This is my first time. You look at me like
you can't just be telling everybody your business like that. Although she isn't, she has children. I was like, what the fuck is she talking about?
You're popping
So,
my IKEA cherry.
I'm popping her IKEA chair. Okay, we're on the same page now. I was so confused. So there are like some things I know I want to get. Nothing big, just like little knickknacks. But I'm so excited.
They have furniture.
Oh my gosh, these bathrooms. I love coming here and looking at the bathrooms for some reason. I can't wait to have my own house and renovate and create a bathroom. They're beautiful. What's up, Lynn? I still want a double sink. It's beautiful. I'll just take turns. Monday I'll use the left, Tuesday I'll use the right, Wednesday I'll use the left. Gems, we are nearing the end of the vlog, and I know it was kind of random, but you know, this was my week. It was just a very random week, so I'm hoping that you all found something interesting throughout my week. I want to say I appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and share with someone that might be interested, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.